beautiful YouTube family. I hope you're all doing good. Here today I have another content, and this video is all about what are the requirements you need for you to start content creation. A lot of people do come to me and ask me that they want to be content creators, and I'm like, instead of just addressing specifically to these people, why not shoot a video so that it can address a wider audience? Maybe you had the same thing in mind, but you are 50-50. Should I dip my feet into content creation, or should I just stay on the other side and watch other content creators? One thing with the current technology or with the current world, anyone can become a content creator, be it a kid, be it you in your 20s, be it a granny in his 50s or 60s. Anyone is allowed. The field is open to all people. It all depends with which niche you want to focus on. Okay, so if you've been wondering if really you want to start content creation, this video is for you. So step number one, what do you need for you to start content creation? First things first, before you set your foot into the actual field of shooting that video, you have to assess or ask yourself which niche you want to major in. It could be fashion vlogs, it could be traveling videos, it could be maybe just measuring on celebrities, it could be culture. And by culture I mean, okay, under culture you can do videos like food testing, or why this culture does something like this. So it depends which niche you want to focus on. Okay, so once you have analyzed which niche you want to focus on, step number two, you need to have a shooting device. And in this case, for a starter, I recommend you use your phone, because you are just starting. You don't have like to buy everything. Like, you need to have like all equipments on your table so you go out in the field. These successful content creators, if you sit down with them, they'll tell you, I started with a phone and now I have a camera. All right, as long as you know which aspect you are shooting your video from, how to edit, the required adjustments you need to put on your video. So a phone for a starter is a good go ahead. And in the process, maybe your content is giving you money, you will use that money, not all of it but part of it, to, for example, you want to buy a camera. Okay, you don't just buy everything at a go. Even Rome was not built in a day. So you say, okay, I've earned this amount of money, I'm starting to buy a camera. Next month, when I'll be paid, I'll buy what is it called, a tripod stand, blah blah blah. And then you just progress, and at the end of it you will be well equipped with all shooting devices. So for a starter, I repeat, start by shooting your videos using a phone, and you ensure you are in a good lighting room if maybe you're shooting your videos from the house. All right, step number three now, it is the actual process of shooting these videos. Now you have your phone, you've decided, now I'm doing travel vlogs. So today I'm traveling to Nakuru, or today I'm traveling to Tanzania. Take your phone, uh, start with an intro, show us the environment. How is Tanzania? How are the people? Which mode of transport are you using? Tell us, compare it to Kenyan transport system. Like in that video, talk. As you're talking, you are also educating other people. Maybe there was a person who was wishing to go to Tanzania, and accidentally they bumped onto your video on social media, and they're like, damn, I need to go to TZ. Like, look at this. I need to go also and see it for myself. Okay, so through that video, when you're talking to the audience, you're also trying to open up other opportunities to other people. Okay, now you have now gotten into the real waters. Now you are testing you are in the field of shooting this video. Step number four, it's the editing itself. Okay, I'll also shoot a video about how to edit your videos. You start, for a start, of course, I know the first video you won't edit it to the required expectation. Of course, you'll make some mistakes. Maybe they won't be that clear, they'll be blurry. You won't maybe have balanced the required adjustments for video shooting. Okay, and then the last step is uploading. And uploading, it depends which type. Is it a reel, is it a short, is it now the normal YouTube video? It depends with what you have shot and what you want to upload, because each has a different aspect ratio. For YouTube, you need to use 16:9. That is the ratio, and the upload quality should be higher. And this comes when you are editing your videos. If you edit poorly, of course the outcome will be poor. Okay, so I'll shoot another video just to show you how or what tricks you need to put onto your video to make it appear good. So those are the only requirements that you need. Now that you have these requirements, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go and do a trial. Go out in the field, interview people, and actually, remember, not if you are doing interview videos, not everyone is comfortable in front of a camera. So you have to ask them first for their consent. And if they're okay with it, go ahead and shoot. And if they're not, don't force them. Just go to another person. All right. And if this video has been so helpful, why not subscribe to my channel? Until next video, guys. Bye bye.